G'day everybody, welcome to day 2 of the Matt Moat LinkedIn Challenge. Really excited for today after seeing the fantastic effort that a lot of people put in yesterday around the day 1 challenge, which is changing your LinkedIn headline to be something emotive and driven around the value of the impact that you deliver to your customers and this community. It's not an easy task. I might have said that, well, I don't think I said it was easy yesterday, but I do know it's not easy, and it might take you over the next few weeks just to continue to refine that, to really get it to where you're happy with it. But at least we're thinking about it, and we know that over time, that proposition can change as well. But day 2, moving forward, is on the theme, I guess, of giving. And I've always found that being part of any community, whether it's this LinkedIn community, whether it's your local sporting club, whether it's being on an industry body, whether it's being part of a team or a community, a committee, etc., as part of the workplace, you always get more out of things by giving more rather than taking more. It's also really important when people don't know you on your profile and they go and have a look. You know, one of the things they'll look at obviously is all the jobs you've had and so forth, but really what they want to know is, what do other people think about you? And that's where recommendations come in. But today it's not about you, it's about someone else or multiple people in the community. Because I think it's really important to create those deeper and more meaningful connections. You actually need to give, again, more than you take. So today what I want you to do is to find 3 people within your network and write a really concise, short, but impactful recommendation for them. Try and think of specific projects or specific skill or experience that person has that's worthy of your recommendation. We don't really want a blasé, oh yeah, he or she is a great person and I really enjoyed working with them. That doesn't really help them express the skills through you that they have to the community that might be reading their profile. So think about 3 people that have got a really specific skill, experience, project you've worked on that worked really well. If you need some inspiration, perhaps check out my recommendations in my profile and go from there, and that might help you out. Once you've done those 3 recommendations, just tag those 3 people below and maybe give a quick 1 sentence out of your recommendation why you're recommending them. I'll go through and over time as those people approve those recommendations, I'll go through and have a look at them. But just feel good about yourself as well that you've given back something to the industry and to your colleagues today. Enjoy, hope you have fun, and we're back tomorrow for another LinkedIn Matt Moat Challenge. Cheers.